Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a virtual tour of Antalya, showcasing the top 10 places you must see when visiting this incredible city. So if you're planning a trip to Antalya or just looking for some travel inspiration, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Our first stop is the heart and soul of Antalya, Kaleiçi, also known as the Old Town. Step into a world of charm as you wander through its narrow streets lined with Ottoman era houses. Marvel at the beautifully preserved architecture and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere. Don't forget to explore the beautiful marina and Hadrian's Gate, a magnificent Roman triumphal arch that serves as a gateway to the past. Antalya's Old Town is a true treasure trove of history and culture. Next up, get ready to be amazed by the breathtaking Düden Waterfalls. Take a stroll along the pathways, feel the mist on your skin, and soak in the awe-inspiring beauty surrounding you. There are two sites of the Düden Waterfalls in Antalya. One is located inland around 15 minutes drive from the center, while the other site is where the waterfall flows into the sea. For those seeking adventure and a glimpse into ancient history, our next stop is Termessos. Located high in the mountains, this ancient city offers a truly unique experience. Explore the fascinating ruins, including the well-preserved amphitheater and the Temple of Artemis. But what sets Termessos apart is its breathtaking location and panoramic views that will take your breath away. It's a must-visit for any history enthusiast. Nature lovers, this one's for you. Prepare to be captivated by the natural beauty of Köprülü Canyon. This stunning canyon is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike along its trails, go rafting in the pristine river, or simply take in the serene surroundings. The combination of lush greenery, towering cliffs, and the crystal clear waters of the Kaleköy River make it a paradise on earth. Our journey through Antalya's historical wonders continues with Perge, an ancient city steeped in history. Explore the well-preserved ruins of this once flourishing Roman city. Admire the impressive theater, wander through the colonnaded streets, and marvel at the intricate mosaics. It's a journey back in time that will transport you to the glory days of ancient civilizations. For breathtaking views of Antalya and the Mediterranean Sea, hop aboard the Antalya Cable Car. Ascend to the top of Mount Tatali and be rewarded with panoramic vistas that will leave you speechless. Capture the stunning scenery, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and embrace the sheer beauty that stretches as far as the eye can see. Prepare to be enchanted by the mesmerizing Kurşunlu Waterfall. Nestled amidst a tranquil forest, this hidden gem offers a serene escape from the bustling city. Take a leisurely walk along the wooden pathways, enjoy the lush greenery, and listen to the soothing sound of cascading water. It's a nature lover's paradise. Next on our list is Aspendos, a marvel of ancient Roman engineering. Visit the magnificent Aspendos Theater, one of the best-preserved theaters in the world. Imagine the grand performances that once took place in this impressive structure. With its remarkable acoustics and architectural beauty, it's no wonder that this theater still hosts events to this day. Escape to the idyllic Kaleköy Bay, where turquoise waters meet lush green hills. This picturesque bay offers a tranquil setting for relaxation and unwinding. Take a boat tour to explore the hidden coves, dive into the crystal clear waters, or simply bask in the sun on the pristine beaches. It's a true paradise for beach lovers. Last but certainly not least, we have the perfect way to end your day in Antalya. Head to Konyaalti Beach and witness a mesmerizing sunset over the vast Mediterranean Sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky paints a stunning tapestry of colors, casting a magical glow over the beach. It's a moment of pure serenity that will leave you in awe. And there you have it, the top 10 places to see in Antalya. We hope this virtual tour has inspired you to visit this incredible city and explore its rich history, natural wonders, and picturesque landscapes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel content like this. Until next time, happy exploring!